Welcome to Wonder House Storytime. Children's books read aloud. Little blue truck. Horn made, engine purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little blue truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak, 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 and winked an eye. When Little Blue Truck went rolling by, Sheep said baa, Cow said moo, Wink said piggy, Beep said Blue, Cluck said the chicken, and her chick said beep. Maa said the goat, Blue said beep. Neigh said the horse, Quack said the duck, Beep said the friendliest little blue truck. Honk, said the dump truck. Coming through. I have big, important things to do. I haven't got the time to pass the day with every duck on the way. Room in the dump. Round the curve, he saw a puddle, and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were stuck down deep in the muck and mire. Honk! Cried the dump, and he sounded scared, and nobody heard or nobody cared. Then into the mud, bump, bump, came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried the little blue truck. Beep, beep, beep. I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. About a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Head to head, rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up with a big green toad? All together. 1, 2, 3. One last push, and the trucks were free! Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on helping hands by a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who's the rat? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, baa. Moo, cluck, peep. Neigh, croak, maa.